Hey y'all, it's Dan at Restoration Fields Farm. Just thought I'd show you what's growing on today. We got our pumpkins coming in. We got the blazes. They're the little orange ones with the red stripes. Those are coming in. We got our winter squashes here. The delicatas are starting to rib up and they're starting to get some dark stripes on them. The acorns are coming in too. We got quite a bit of those. We have our patty pans. I got a dark green, which is called Dark Star, a yellow, and a pale green. They're all coming in nicely. They've been producing for about a week now. We got our Asian greens. We got Hansai Thai, and we also have the Chijim Sai. The Hansai Thai are broccoli, like a broccoli rabe style. They don't have a full crown on them. They just got a little tiny bunch of florets, and then you can eat the stems really good. We got the Chijim Sai coming in as well, and that's more like a bok choy, but it's savoyed. Here we got our golden beets, our Chioggia beets, and our red beets, and they're coming in nicely. They're starting to bulb up. On this row we have our lettuce. We have a Nevada and a magenta, and they're both heat tolerant varieties. And then I got some scallions growing in between there. Here we have our rainbow chard and our Hackeri turnips. The Hackeri turnips are coming in really good, and the chard's almost ready. I got a couple rows of carrots here. Germination's been spotty. It's been pretty rough. It's been a hot summer here in Texas. On this row we have our Russian red kale and our blue dazzle kale, and they're both doing great. On this row we have our purple whole pink-eyed, which is similar to a black-eyed pea, and these are a top pick variety, so they're easier to harvest. I also put some French breakfast radish down this row. This row is our basil. We have a lemon basil, cinnamon basil, and a lime basil, and they're all doing really good. On this row I have a mix. I have some eggplants, and then I also have some Italian sweet peppers. Eggplants are coming in pretty good, and the Italian sweet peppers are starting to show some fruit. On this row we have our okra, which is coming in really good. I got 5 varieties, and right now the best one that's producing is Okinawa Pink. They're really long, but they're super tender. Our cucumbers are coming along really good. They're producing really heavy right now. I got some unagi, which are about an 11-inch long. I also have a diva, which is a shorter variety. It's like a snacking cucumber. And then on the end down there, I got some lemon cucumbers. They'll start to come in later in the season though. Here we have our hot peppers. I have 3 kinds of jalapenos. I got a lemon spice, an orange spice, and a pumpkin spice. The lemon spice actually has a little bit of a lemon flavor to it, and the other just are named after the color that they are. I got my bell peppers on this row, and they're starting to come in. We got some little fruit on them. I also have some Italian sweet peppers on this row. I got 2 varieties. I got a yellow and a red, and they're both excellent for frying peppers. On this row, I have 3 kinds of cherry tomatoes. I have a red, a green, and an orange. And they're starting to produce, but they're still pretty green. So thank you all for tuning in. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much.